welcome once again to my channel. In this video I'll show you how I make Nigerian puff puff. Simple Nigerian puff puff, the Nigerian finger food that you will not miss in any party in Nigeria. So let's dive into it, everyone. First, I need a clean bowl, and in that clean bowl I will add 600 ml of all-purpose flour after sieving. Next, 250 ml of sugar, 15 ml of instant yeast, a drizzle of nutmeg or half teaspoon of nutmeg if you're using the powdered one. Next, I will add 1 teaspoonful of black chili pepper, which is optional. Next, I will mix to combine. Next, I will add 500 ml of warm water. It is warm water, not hot, not cold, and mix to combine until all lumps goes away and it is smooth enough. All ingredients will be at the description box down below, especially if you do not have a measuring ml cup. After mixing till it is smooth, all lumps disappear. Next, I will cover with a cling film. You could use foil paper, but I choose to use cling film because I will put this in microwave, and microwave is always warm. Put yours in any warm place, microwave, oven, the choice is yours. Then I will also cover with a clean and thick kitchen towel. I will allow this to sit in the microwave for 30 to 40 minutes. While this is aside, on a clean pan, after it gets hot on fire, I will add vegetable oil and allow to heat on a high flame. While that is aside, let's check our batter. It is ready, so everyone, you notice the difference in size. Next, let's start our frying. At this point, I will use a spoon to scoop. I'm using this very spoon because I want the shape to be a medium shape. Some prefer to use hand, but I love to use spoon. And I will fry this on a medium flame. Once the oil gets hot, I reduce to medium flame. The reason is that if you fry on a high flame, it will easily burn, and if it's too low, it will soak oil. So I prefer to fry on a medium flame, and once it gets golden brown, gently flip to the other side and allow to turn to golden brown. Thanks all my genuine subscribers for your wonderful support always, and if you're new, please don't forget to like, comment, share my videos to your friends and family, and thumbs up for me. Yummy recipes are updated every week on this channel, and interesting videos too. So this is ready. I will go ahead and transfer them to a good and clean strainer, and I will repeat this process until the batter is finished. So next, I'll be using a smaller spoon because I want a smaller size. And like I said, I'll be repeating this process until the batter is finished. And make sure your flame is on medium side so it does not get burned. So our puff puff is ready, and this can be served as a lunch or as breakfast. Children can equally take this to school. And remember, there is no Nigerian party you go, wedding party, this is not served. In fact, if you do not see this pop-off, then the party has not yet started. Alright, thanks so much, genuine subscribers. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in the next video, and bye for now.